municipality has to take steps to see that either you bring in a new guy or settle with the old guy. आनी पयलीं municipality म्हणून कितें फायदा? कितें म्हणटा तूं? नाजाल्यार शिता फुडें मीठ जातलें न्हू जावचें ना तें तशें हां तुमी पयलीं स्टेप्स घेया मागीर तुमी हें करा डोंट जंप द गन you'll wait you'll first settle your matters with Fomento so that you don't talk anything about any technology. He can talk because he's there to give us technology. It's his function as the chairman of the Innovation Council. He has to suggest to the government what is best that we do in our conditions, and we have to take advice, and we are taking the right advice. Municipality first settle with Fomento, then go ahead with an expression of interest.